And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking down towards lovely downtown Lethbridge just about an hour ago. Fairly cloudy skies throughout the day, but we did have our share of sunny breaks today as well. Not as cloudy as it was yesterday. Clouds are rolling back in right now though, so -3 degrees is where we're at. We were at +3 at 1 p.m. We had a west wind then. We're now in a northwest wind, and our overnight low was right at the stroke of midnight. We were at -11 degrees. Actually, that happened a little bit prior to midnight, but we'll call it midnight here for the official low temperature for today. Take a look at the numbers all over the screen. Pretty pleasant temperatures all in all, considering other parts of the country, especially areas to the north, are dealing in minus double-digit values right now. So we really don't have a whole lot to complain with. Wind wasn't a factor today. As I said, we did get to 3 degrees here, but the wind has shifted to the north. And that's because we do have a system to the north that is going to be sliding across. Right now, bands of cloud cover are being pushed over us, and we do have a possibility of picking up a little bit of flurry activity from these bands as they cross overnight tonight. But as we get into tomorrow, there's a really nice healthy area of high pressure that is trying to develop in southern BC, and that'll continue to push off. But you can see just some areas seeing little parcels of flurry activity making its way down to the ground. Not really organized and not too concentrated, but just a little bit of dusting on this side of the Rocky Mountains. Of course, to the west of the Rockies, we're looking at areas of quite some intense snowfall expected from about Jasper north. As we get into tomorrow, we're going to be seeing snowfall pretty much stop there, but they could see 10 to 15 centimeters of snow. Areas like Grand Prairie, high level, are going to be seeing snow as we head into the weekend. That area of high pressure is actually going to push most of this precipitation further to the north, and then it'll start to come across into northern Alberta as we get into Saturday, Sunday. They'll be seeing pockets of snow there, but in the south, as you can see, as we get into the latter part of tomorrow, we're still looking at clear skies here. And as I said, just that chance of maybe a drift off of flurry activity overnight tonight. But we're going to have a lot of sunshine by tomorrow afternoon here in southern Alberta. And so that's really good news. And that'll hold on for us for the weekend as well. -5 degrees in St. John's right now. Pretty pleasant temperatures through the Maritimes, but a whole lot of rain is making its way through. Could see 25 millimeters of rain in some areas, and that's going to turn to snow as the temperatures drop. 10 to 15 centimeters expected in southern Quebec. We got some light flurry activity through Winnipeg tonight, -15 degrees, -8, -10. Regina and Saskatoon, overcast skies. In Edmonton, -8 degrees right now. 0 in Kelowna, cloudy, rainy on the coast. In Vancouver, up north, -4 in Whitehorse, and -21 with a wind chill factor putting it in at -28 right now in Yellowknife. So a lot of cold air up there, and we will be seeing some of that precipitation, as I said, that is going to be making its way down into northern Alberta, but that's later on in the weekend. As we look at the overnight forecast, we've got East Kootenay looking at -9 degrees tonight, partly cloudy skies. Cloudy for you tomorrow. Chance of some morning flurries, -3 for a daytime high. Crow's Nest Pass, -10 tonight. Windy conditions, partly cloudy skies. Sun and cloud mix for you tomorrow, +1 for a high. And your winds will be gusting to 80 kilometers per hour in the afternoon. Medicine Hat, chance of flurries tonight down to -10, mainly sunny tomorrow, not too windy. -1 for a daytime high. And here in Lethbridge, we're looking at an overnight low of -11 under mainly clear skies. Tomorrow, sun and cloud mix. Little windy in the afternoon, gusting to 50, but +2 for a daytime high. There's your temperatures for the next few days. Nice temperatures throughout the weekend. We are expecting Sunday to be the windiest day in the 5-day forecast. 6 degrees for a high, but even very pleasant as we head into Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday, right now, looks like 4 degrees and sunny. Dory's Story, if you're looking for some more Christmas entertainment, you might want to check this out.